Hello guys, welcome back with me in the tutorial Premiere Pro. So today in this video I will teach you how to apply a mirror effect to your title. Okay, let's start editing. First, we open Premiere Pro. And here I have created a sequence. If you haven't made it, then make it first. Okay, then we will make the background first. How to click New Item, then click Matte Color. After clicking, set the background color as you like. Once made, we just drag the background to the timeline. After that, click Window and click Lumetri Color. Because here I will make a vignette so that the background is not really plain. Then you set it as you wish. After the setup is complete, we will create the text. How to click New Item, then click Title. After that, click OK. Here you can make the text as you like or according to taste. For those of you who don't understand, please check my previous video. And I hope some of you have understand creating text. When it's finished making it, drag the text to the timeline. Try the same duration as the background. After dragging it, we will duplicate the text. After that, we go to the Effect panel, then look for Vertical Flip. Then drag the effect into the duplicated timeline. Then go to Effect Control and you can change its position as you wish. And try to move it below the original text. After that, we look again for the effect. We are looking for a Gaussian blur. Then drag it to the top title. Then go to Effect Control and change the blurriness to 50. And you can see the text is finished, and this is the result. So guys, I think this video tutorial is just that. I hope you liked this video and shared it so others can learn too. Comment below if you have questions or request for further tutorials, and follow my Instagram link in the description box below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, bye bye.